Hello! Welcome to yet another fantastic screencast introducing the wonderful world of Macintosh numbers. My name is Mr. Stutz and I'll be your host on your journey today. We're looking at very quickly finding the landmarks mean, median, mode, and range out of a set of data using Macintosh numbers. Macintosh numbers actually, as most spreadsheet programs do, makes it very easy for us to find these. Okay, so here I'm going to take a look at our practicing with central tendencies data, estimating how long a minute is. And what I want to do is I want to find out what is the mean, median, mode of all of this good stuff. Guess number one. Okay. In fact, let's do this because in class you looked at only guess number one. Let's look at all of these guesses. Okay, let's be tricky. Right, to start off with, if I highlight all the data, you all probably notice that once you highlight it all, la 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 la, you get a little count down here in the corner that tells you the sum, the average, the min, the max, the count. Okay, beautiful. Now that's nice, but if I click off of it, all that information goes away. So let's see if we can make it a little more permanent. The landmarks I'm looking for tonight are the median, or the average. I'm also going to look for the, I'm not looking, the median isn't the average. Mr. Stutz, come on, get it together, boy. Everybody in class, what is the other name for the average? Come on, say it. I want to hear you. Miss Nave, Mr. Boss, make sure they say it. That's right. I'm being mean again. Yes, of course, the mean is the average. I am also going to be looking for the median. I am also going to be looking for the mode. And I am also going to be looking for the range. Okay? So let's see how Macintosh numbers can help us formulate all of those things. Whenever you are telling a spreadsheet program to do something for you, you are actually what's called inserting a function. Okay? So what I'm going to do is right here next to the mean, in this cell, I'm going to insert a function. And you always start off a function with an equal sign. Okay? That equal sign tells the spreadsheet program hello. I'm sorry. It tells it hello. You're getting ready to calculate something. So that equal sign gets its computer brain all fired up and ready to go. Now, if I'm calculating the mean, I'm calculating the average, right? So, Macintosh numbers makes it easy for us to just say, hey computer, I want you to find the average, gotta spell it right, and then tell it what numbers you want to find the average of. You tell it to start looking at data by putting in a parentheses. Okay, and notice how it made that average stand up nice and straight. I'm going to say look for the average out of all of these numbers. I'm just going to click, hold down, and highlight. La 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 and la. And say there you go. From B6 to D90, I want all those numbers figured out. I'm going to end it with a parentheses, click, and then I'm going to hit enter. Look at that. It put my average right there. Isn't that special? Okay, Mr. Stutz, what if you don't want the mean, though? What if you want the median? What do you think you're going to do? Oh, yes, you in the back with your hand up. That's right. I'm going to start with an equal sign. I'm going to say, hello, type in, find out the median. Spell it right. I'm going to use a parentheses. I'm going to highlight the data that I want to find the median of. I'm going to close the parentheses, and I'm going to hit enter. Bam. And what do you think it's going to be for mode? Oh my gosh. You guys are too smart for me. Check this out. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a mistake. If I hit equals, and then I hit mode, but then I think of airplanes or boats. Certainly not cat-walking strutters, but I think of a model instead of mode. And I put in everything else the way I should. First of all, look what happens when I click the parentheses. It doesn't stand up straight. It's because model is not a command with which Numbers is familiar. I go and I highlight all my data, and I close my parentheses, and I hit my enter, and I get the red pyramid of death. Oh my gosh. What did I do wrong here? I spelled my command wrong. Okay, you can go back up into this function bar and fix it. It's not model, it's mode. And look, as soon as I take that L out of the way, it stands up straight. When I hit enter, it picks up the mode of the whole dang thing. Wow. Awesome, isn't it? Now, for better or for worse, Numbers does not have range as its function, right? I type in range, I put the parentheses, nothing happens. So I know I got to come up with something else. Now, the range is just the difference between the biggest number and the smallest number, right? It's the maximum minus the minimum. And Numbers has a function for finding out the maximum. What do you think it is? That's right, it's max. Once I put it in the parentheses, it gets all nice and big. And again, I want to find the maximum out of all of these numbers. La 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 la. Why, the chicken dance is on my mind tonight. I need a new song. Maybe I'll do Justin Bieber next. Oh, no, okay, I won't. Never mind. So I'm going to find the max of all of these numbers. I'm going to close the argument with that parentheses. But I'm not done yet. Because remember, the range is the maximum minus the minimum. So I need to tell Numbers, all right, you have the maximum now. Now subtract the minimum. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit minus. But this time now, I'm going to look for the min. And in fact, rather than highlighting things again, I'm just going to type stuff in. I'm going to put my parentheses. I know the numbers because I got them right here, right? B6 colon D9. From B6, way up here, all the way down to D90. All right, let's type that in. So the minimum of B6, I don't have to capitalize, colon D90. Close parentheses and hit enter. All right, I've got the maximum of those numbers minus the minimum of those numbers. Should give me the range. Dun dun dun! The biggest number and the smallest number are 158 apart. And you've just used Numbers to find out the mean, median, mode, and range of all those factors, all those data points, all those minute guesses. You guys are now so smart, I don't know what I'm going to do with you. Have a great day. Bye now. Okay, you can turn it off. Yeah. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya.